pass, pass, one spade. Good hand from South, 4 or more spades, may or may not be balanced, 12 to 19 points. 2 hearts, pass, pass, 2 spades. This shows a good hand. I shouldn't be bidding 2 spades with a weak hand with 6 spades. Partner hasn't made a negative double or hasn't responded. So partner likely hasn't got a good hand or has a problem. Pass. 4 spades. Pass, pass, pass. There are many people with the set north hand over 2 hearts would bid 2 spades. If they did bid 2 spades, South would just jump to 4 spades. West is on lead. What do they lead? If they led a diamond or a heart, I would have my contract made straight away. Because they led a club, I now have 4 losers in the red suits, minimum, and potentially a 5th. If I misplay the hand, as I have done every time so far, and draw the trumps, I will, even though I can now set up the clubs. I have no way to get back to them. And no matter what I do in the hearts, even though I might win the king of hearts, that's 2 tricks I've lost. I'm going to end up losing 2 diamonds. And again, all because I didn't work out that I needed to make extra winners to discard my losers. Even though a club is led, I have no choice on this hand but to hope that the clubs are 3-2. The 2 and the 3 of spades means I have only 1 entry to the dummy. I must carefully preserve that entry and hope that the clubs are 3-2. And if the clubs are 3-2, I can set up the club and discard all of my losers in the 1 red suit. And now if the ace of diamonds is on in East's hand, I would end up making 12 tricks, but because West has the ace and the queen of diamonds, I end up losing 2 tricks and I make 11 tricks. Again, if we have a look at the West hand, the hand on lead, if they lead the queen of hearts or the ace of hearts or the ace of diamonds or the queen of diamonds or a small diamond, I make the contract. If they lead a club, I need to establish the club suit. If they lead a spade, I need to establish the club suit. Otherwise, I will always end up with 4 losers. I need to do this at the start of the hand. One heart may or may not be balanced. 4 or more hearts, 12 to 19 points. Pass. One spade, 4 or more spades, 6 or more points, forcing for 1 round. Pass. 2 hearts, unbalanced, minimum. 6 hearts or 5 very good ones, depending on your partnership agreement, but no second suit with clubs or diamonds, and no 4-card support in spades. Pass. 4 hearts. Pass, pass, pass. When the opponents lead, we must look at our losers and potential losers, and we must think about where we're going to get to them. Now we know we're going to have to play spades to make our extra winner. We have to be careful to play spades the right way. Even if we win the diamond and play spades, if we win the first spade on the table and give up a spade, when they win, they will take diamonds and switch to clubs. And now, even though we may be able to set up the spades and we've worked out to set up the spade suit, if the heart suit breaks badly, even though the spade suit is set up, we can't get back to the table. But because North ruffed, we can now cross to the table and discard our loser on our winner. If North hadn't have ruffed, we wouldn't have been able to cross back to the table because their 9 of hearts would be bigger than our 5 of hearts. And even though the spade is a winner, we can't get there because the 5 of hearts will lose to the 9. And they'll now take a club. When the diamond is led, now that we've worked out to play spades, we can't afford to win the first spade. We must duck. And by ducking, it gives us an extra entry to the table, to the dummy hand, to set up the spades. Now, we may not be able to do that straight away because the opponents will take 2 diamonds. And after they take 2 diamonds, they'll play a club. But that's okay because we haven't gone down yet. And now when we play our second spade, and we ruff the spades, we have enough entries with which to get back to the table. And we're careful to draw all of the opponent's potential trumps by not playing small to the ace and playing the queen before we play small to the ace, to make sure we draw all of the opponents. I apologize. Last card, misclick. We play our winning spade and throw our losing club, and we can ruff our club. Even if we work out what suit to play, we may have to lose a trick in a suit to establish the suit, and we have to be careful to draw all of the opponent's trumps. Otherwise, we won't be able to play our last winning spade to throw our losing club.